Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to create an iOS 7 inspired tab bar icon set in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, and in this part we want to create a record icon. Okay, in first step we want to set up our document. Go to File menu, New Document, and select the custom size. Okay, 614.98, and unit to point artboard 1 and color mode set to RGB color. Okay, create. Now the artboard is ready for designing. Okay, now with rounded rectangle tool, create a peel shape by this size. Okay, select rounded rectangle tool, click in artboard and set size to 22, height to 42, and corner radius to 22. Okay, that's right. And we don't need fill color, set to none, and set a stroke weight to 2 point, and align to art. Okay, zoom in. Change color of a stroke to this color, or this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now set a stroke line to stroke to inside. Okay, lock this. Okay, that's right. Now draw another rounded rectangle with the following information. Click and set to 34, height to 40, and corner radius to 25. Okay, stroke line is inside, and change position. Okay, line, yes, and move to down. I think okay. Now select this shape and from object select expand appearance. Okay, and we convert asterisk to fill. Okay, from object expand appearance. Okay, now select a rectangle tool, Shift X to change. Oh, excuse me, don't need. We don't need to change stroke and fill color. Okay, now draw a rectangle like this. Okay. Okay, now select rectangle and this shape. Okay, now we select two items or two shapes, this shape and rectangle. Now from Pathfinder select minus front. Okay, well, now again select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle base size 16 and 2 point. Okay, position to right, align to center, and okay. Now create another rectangle. Okay, by 2 and height to 12 point, line to center, and move to zoom in, select and move to zoom in. Okay, and now create final rectangle. Select again, set size to 20 for width and 2 point for height. Okay, line and move to this. Okay. Okay, now select ellipse tool and click and set size to 3 and 3 point. Okay, zoom in. Control Z. Control Z. Okay, and on keyboard hold Control Alt and Y. Okay, center to align. Okay, and from top 2 point. Okay, 2 point from top. Control Alt Y again. Now yes, and create 9 duplicate from this circle. Okay, Control C, Control F, Control Y. Okay, okay, Control Y. Select Shift was hold Shift. Okay, Control Y. Okay, 2 pixel from left. Now Control C, Control F. Align center. Control C, Control F. And this. Okay, now select this item. Control C, Control F. Y again. Okay, Control C, Control F. Control Y. Okay. In this step, we want to select all item, move to top, and add label to record, change color, and change size 18. Align to center. Okay, icon is ready. Okay, we want to rename the layer to record. Oh, record and duplicate record. Record activated. Okay, hide and lock the record. Now we want to change the color to blue. Okay, select items, and change to blue. Oh yeah, Control Z. This is a okay. We don't need to, for this shape, we don't need to stroke color, just the fill color. Select blue, select and select to blue. Select color of red text to blue. Okay, very good. Now select zoom in, select circle and this rectangle. Okay. Okay, select all item from object, compound path, make. Okay. And now select pill shape and this compound path from pathfinder minus front. Okay. Oh, change to blue. Now the icon is ready. Okay. Normal icon and activated icon. Normal, activated. Okay, finish. Good luck.